Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chachi, and for today's video, you know how it is. Every month in this channel, we do some Boxycharm unboxing. I know I haven't been uploaded a video for like a month now, almost. But I just has been really busy with life, with work, and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and unbox our this is the premium box for the month of May. If you guys is not familiar what a Boxycharm is, I cannot find anything to cut. Boxycharm is basically a makeup subscription. They have the base box, premium box, and the luxe box. Base box is $25 a month, and this guy right here is the premium box, which is $35 a month. So let's go ahead and check out what we have this month. So every month you'll get a theme. So you'll have this little pamphlet like right here. And for May, it's Flourish. Yeah, this is our theme for this month. It has a little cute flowers right there. Our variation is C2105317-PM. Yes, it's still that long variation. And brain fart. What do I call this? So this is the premium box, retail for $35 a month. You will get like 6 to 7 full-size items, and let's check it out. What stuff we got for this month. So right from the back, I do see this. It looks like a mail envelope right here. How do I open this without? So I think this one are makeup brushes. So yeah, these are makeup brushes. There are like just 3 brushes. Like usually on a subscription box, or like, you know, when you buy a package, like what do I call that word I'm looking for? A set. You will always have this brush right here. This is an angle brush. Oh, it looks really nice. I like the handle of this. I don't want this, because I have so many of this and I don't even use this. And this one is, hold on, let's see. This one is brushes. This 3 brushes is like really pricey. It is retail for $96. So we're gonna check this out on another video, trying to use some of this brush. I don't know if it's just my brush. As you can see, it's like a little bent right there. It's soft. It's really soft. And we also got this one right here. This is not gonna be like a foundation brush. This just will be good if you're contouring or like blending out your cream contour right here. So this is the first product that we got on our premium box, which is a set of 3 expensive brushes, because this brush is already retail for $96. So which I already lost most of the plastic. And for our second item, it is the Rodeo Dragon Blood Eye Mask. Hydrate and tone. Oh, I need this right now, because I don't know, I started going back to the gym. I started eating. I'm trying to venture on that keto diet, and for some reason my skin is like not happy. It is not happy right now. So this is an eye mask, and this guy retails for $18. How many patches do we get? It does not say. 3 times 5 gram sachet. Net weight is 15 grams. So we're gonna try this out also on one of our videos, so I will let you guys know. So that guy again retails for $18. And this one right here, I'm not sure. This one was my choice for my premium box. This is the Melted Chocolate Matte Eyeshadow. Oh, the packaging is really nice. I don't know if you can see. You're right there. So, oh, why did I pick this shade? It's a matte eyeshadow, and that is the shade that I pick. I'm pretty sure this was a choice. Why did I pick that one? Oh, you know what? It's gonna be good if you do like a cut crease and put this one in it. So we're also going to try that one on our next video. So this guy right here retails for $21, and this one is a Too Faced matte eyeshadow melted, Too Faced melted chocolate matte eyeshadow. So, and that guy retails for $21. And we also have this Black Blossom hand serum. I need this in my life because, you know, still, even though they loosen up all of, like, majority of that restriction, we're allowed not to wear a mask already. Let me just wipe this out. So this is the hand serum. It's a serum kind Black Blossom hand serum. A hand serum perfect for intense care of skin barrier, infused with the healing effects of the Black Blossom serum. And this guy right here retails for $27. And it's sealed. Let's see how it feels. It kind of like look like a lotion. Right here, it has like a cream consistency. And it feels really nice in the skin. And it has that light, really nice smell. So I'm excited to put this in my purse because I will be going to work. And our second product, it will be a Pure Element bl+c black cumin cage put. I don't know how to pronounce that, but this is a facial serum. So let's see on our pamphlet, and this guy retails for $36. It is formulated specially for problem skin, which your girl has, especially when that time of the month is coming. Yes, our skin on my face starts to act up. It gets dry, flaky. It has acne. I know the struggle. And this one is formulated specially for problem skin with potent serum, helps to reduce the appearance of blemishes. It's so concentrated that 2 to 3 drops morning and night is all you need to awaken skin beauty. Black cumin oil helps purify the skin, promoting a more smooth and clear appearance. So I'm really excited to try this because I already know, you have seen in my video, my skin, no matter what, it always get that acne. I can get it to clear it up. It's not like a lot, but I'll get 1 or 2 or somewhere in there. So I am not happy about that. And our last product that we do get is, what is this? This is, I can see it's the House Laboratory, and I'm pretty sure this is an eyeshadow palette. It has that black packaging, that black carton right there. It looks fancy. It's so simple, but it looks fancy. Ooh, I like this shade right there. This is kind of my jam. So I have a party to go to on Sunday, so most likely I will be using this eyeshadow palette for that day. I will let you guys know just in case I change my mind, because you know me, when you go to a party, I always try to go to with my go-to products. So I know that my makeup is gonna stick and gonna stay there. So this is that, and of course this one retails for $34. If I'm not mistaken, House Laboratory is Lady Gaga's makeup line. So let's total it up how much value that we have on our May premium box. Really? So don't mind that noise. It's like probably the people from my apartment trying to fix some stuff. So live, and you get closer. Hello. I'm trying to film. I haven't filmed for a month, and you're gonna do that to me. Okay, but whatever. So the eyeshadow palette that we got is $34. The melted eyeshadow makeup from Too Faced, $21. Ignore. The the face serum is $36. The hand serum is $27. The brush set is $96, and mask duo is $18, and we do have a total value of $236 on our Boxycharm premium box for the month of May. So I will link it in the description down below. If you guys are interested to sign up for a Boxycharm, and just check out in the description, I will put it right there. And also, thank you guys for watching. This is our first video for what I call our second video, probably. I'm not sure which one I'm going to be uploading first for this month and after a month. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you can get notified on all of my future uploads. Bye.